Hi, who really owns the sea? Have you taken 1 second to at least think who actually owns the sea? Because I have, but only when I was a child. When I was a child, I used to think that, okay, maybe it's the mermaid, popularly known as Mami Water, that owns the sea. So actually, nobody owns the sea per se. But the truth is, international laws like the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea is one of those laws that divides the sea into zones. So it's not really like owning the sea per se. Basically, we have different zones, right? We have what is called the territorial sea, which is 12 nautical miles away from the shores of the sea. We have the contiguous zone, which is like 12 to 24 nautical miles away from the shores of the sea. We also have the exclusive economic zone. So I have promised I'm not going to be speaking grammar in any of my videos. Now, for the contiguous zone, which is like 44 kilometers away from the shore of the sea, right? The country, that's the coastal state, cannot fully own it per se, right? But it can chase away trouble from that sea. Let's say there's smuggling on the sea. Now the coastal state can easily, send away those smugglers away from the sea. So it's not like they fully own it, but they can control activities on that sea. We also have other zones like the EEZ, the Exclusive Economic Zone, the Continental Shelf. We also have the IC. See, the IC is like a public playground for everybody. Anybody can pass through the IC. Anybody can carry out activities on the IC. However, you must make sure to protect the IC. What do I mean by protecting the IC? You must make sure that you don't do anything that will be detrimental to the entire world on the IC. So I ask again, who actually owns the sea? Is it countries or mermaid? If you have listened to my teaching up to this point, then you should be able to understand that no one actually owns the sea, but countries control part of it depending on how far the sea is from its coast. My name is Vera Enubianozo. Welcome to day 4 of my Maritime Law series.